Hey guys, this is Rose here, and I'm going to show you how to use character styles. Okay, first off, you need to get the window open. As you can see, I already have it open, but to get it, you just go to Window, Character Styles right here. So then, after that, you have your text here. All you do is you click in the box and you highlight it, and then you click this New button, and you'll get the character style 1. Just double click it, and this window will appear, and then you can name it. I'm going to name this main text. And then you also want to make sure you pick your color, because otherwise it'll just pick whatever color you have down here, and so that can be a bit of a pain. And then you can just do this with all your different text. This is supposed to be Tidy Hand, somehow it got changed. So I'm going to fix it. And then add it as a character style. And I'm going to name it Small Text. And then here we've got, this is like background thoughts for this project. So I will add this one, but generally, they're not quite as big. So I'm gonna have it a little bit smaller, because generally I don't use that big of a size for all of them. So I mean, you probably want to pick the size you use, you know, an in-between size that you use the most. And so I'll probably do 30 pixels, and it's going to change it to 30. Then you can just highlight it again and change it back. And then that makes it really easy to use the character styles. So then, if you want to change something, just for example, all you have to do is click whatever text it is. I'm just giving an example, and then you click this little arrow button, and it'll change it just like that. So I'm going to change it back to main text, and sometimes if you just click the main text, it'll change it automatically. I've noticed sometimes if it's different colors, it won't change the color unless you actually click the little arrow button. So then I'll also show you real quick how to use styles. Styles will stay over in this corner right here the entire time you're using Photoshop. However, I've noticed with different projects, somehow the styles change pixel length, so sometimes they don't work cross projects, but they'll work for just one chapter. And so then to get to that window, it's just in the same area right here. And then to do a style, all you have to do is you just originally create the style by going to, you know, layer styles, stroke, and, you know, picking your styles. I'll do a black one, for example. And then you just click the create new style, and then name it whatever you want. I'll name it black 2 pixel, that way I know what it is. And obviously that doesn't look very good, so I'm going to change it back to the like 2 pixel. And again, if you just click on these ones, it doesn't have that little arrow, so if you just click on them, it should change. Now character styles, you have to load every time you open a new document, so they'll disappear. So here's page 9, and see, they're gone. Then all you have to do is go to load character styles and load them from the previous page, and then it'll tell you it's imported so many, and then you've got all your same character styles again, and you can just keep working on them, and you don't have to fiddle with the text a lot. It's a lot easier to just fiddle with the size than having to scroll through many different fonts and try and find the one you want. So I hope this has been a little bit of